Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new here, I post anything and everything about my life. If I'm quiet, it is because it's really late. I received a package, so I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. It is from Seth Cohen, East Brunswick. Let's open it up. I don't know what's inside. Oh, funny story. The FedEx person who delivered this package, he dropped it at the front door and he rang the doorbell like 10 times. So Jen and I were like, what is going on? Then when we looked out the window, we saw his truck. It's never happened before. It was very strange. Cute. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wednesday books, you're just too good to me. The One True Me and You by Remi K. England. That is so cute. What? Young adult fiction, romance, and LGBTQ+. One small fandom convention, one teen beauty pageant, one meet cute waiting to happen. That is so cute! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you for the book. Oh my gosh. It's available March 1st, 2022 for all other readers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.